does.
Oh.
And while we aren't going to be talking about quite as much of a chill heading our way, we're definitely going to hit our stride with a much more winter-like pattern these next couple of days. And that's kind of starting with everything that's coming down from the clouds. You'll notice on the Live Viper radar that band of blue pushing its way across the middle part of the state. That's the combination of really some light snow showers, a little bit of sleet out there as well. And remember, the sleet is essentially frozen ice pellets, or frozen raindrops rather, so that's going to be why you can actually hear a little bit of that precipitation out there. These showers, though, have continued to stay on the lighter side, so really not expecting too much in the way of accumulation, but do want to give you the reminder, with below freezing temperatures, anything that comes down from the clouds does have an opportunity to freeze. So these next few hours as we head toward the evening drive, could still see some slick spots out there. It's really east side of town now, so stretching from Columbus's downtown over toward Westerville into Pataskala, Obetz, and then farther down to the south and east toward Lancaster, where we're continuing to see that wintry mix of primarily some very light snow flurries, and paired with that a little bit of sleet or some of that freezing precipitation as well. Window Nation tower camera showing the visibility definitely is impacted by this as well. While it does look fine down on the street view, again, I think the bigger concern on the roads would be whether they are wet, whether they're icy. You need to plan for that extra travel time tonight into first thing tomorrow morning as well, especially since we have some falling temperatures. We're just below freezing, so checking it at 31 degrees here in Columbus. Farther up to the north, upper 20s. Delaware into Marion sitting at only 28 degrees. So you're definitely going to be noticing that chill out there, alongside a few of those flurries that'll be hanging around as well. I want to point out, after the sun sets, those temperatures just continue to fall back down into those lower 30s. And so we're going to continue to see that light mixture of some sleet and freezing rain primarily. And on top of that, a few of those very light snow flurries as well. As we approach 6 o'clock this evening, I want to point out, first of all, those showers are just continuing to thin out. Anything left as far as the snowfall goes will be more so in the way of flurries, and it really will be after midnight tonight into 6 o'clock in the morning tomorrow that the very southern edge of the state, so closer you get that state line with Kentucky, could see the best opportunity for a little bit of a dusting of snowfall. And I'm really anticipating maybe about a 1/10 of an inch or so of new snow. Bigger thing I'm watching, this drop in temperatures. We're going to be falling back down into the teens for tonight and the first thing tomorrow morning. And even though we'll be talking about a drier forecast ahead for us, it is certainly going to be much colder out there these next couple of days. In fact, that 28-degree high that we're working our way up to tomorrow, that's about 10 degrees colder than the norm. We'll slightly bring up those temperatures for Wednesday as we add in a little bit of sunshine. Thursday, temperatures much closer to normal, and despite the sunshine that hangs around into the day on Friday, that's going to be another one that you really want to bundle up for. You'll notice temperature-wise, just going to be maxing out in the mid-20s.